So welcome to our EMS Talks. I am Florante Bray Langaw, and today we'll be talking about something important that's happening right here in our school, which is the Northern Bukidnon State College. No? May I request everyone to state your name, magpailahila ta para may balance sa to uban classmates.
Hi everyone, I'm Kurt Axel Estorba.
Hello everyone, my name is Adonis Luke Zilinaw.
Hi everyone, I'm Brian Gigalgal.
Hi everyone, my name is Royan J. Zambrano.
In behalf of our environmental management system subject under our instructor, Ma'am Rosan Luntian, no, let's dive into how this plastic ban is helping the environment and how EMS plays a big role. No? Uh, First thing first, may I ask Curtis Torba, can you tell us what the issue was before the plastic ban?
Thank you, Bry. Before the plastic ban, a lot of student and food stall in our school use single-use plastics like cups, spoons, and wrappers every day. It created a lot of waste, and most of it wasn't being recycled properly.
That's right. That plastic waste was everywhere, in a trash bin, on the ground. May I ask Mr. Brian Kelkial, can you share why this was such a problem?
Yes, right. So plastic takes hundreds of years to break down. If it piles up, it pollutes the land and water. Plus, in our school, it made the surrounding messy and unhealthy.
May I ask Mr. Royan Zambrano, with the same question.
And burning plastics just adds to air pollution. It's not just a school problem, it affects the whole community.
That's a great point. Uh, let's connect this to environmental management system. No? May I ask Mr. Linaw, no, how do you think uh, EMS concept helped our school in the NBSC?
Okay, Juan Bryce, thank you. Our school applied waste management strategy by banning plastic. That's a policy level change. A key of environmental management system concept. They also encourage student and vendors to bring reusable containers, which promote green leadership.
How about you, Mr. Zambrano?
EMS helps by giving a system or plan for the school to reduce its environmental impact. It's not just a one-time rule, it's a long-term plan.
What can be still be improved? No? May I ask Mr. Brian?
So, yes, Brian. So, we already banned plastic, but we could add more real solutions for water to reduce bottles.
Also, continue educating students about why the plastic ban is important, maybe through poster, social media, or short classroom talks.
Okay, now that's the for the solutions and impact in our environment. No? And now for lastly, we have a discussing group reflection. No? I learned that our NBEC policies can really make a difference in helping the environment. No? How about the others?
I learned that small changes like avoiding plastic have a big impact, especially in our school.
So, I realized that doing it give us right to improve our habits and systems.
I saw how teamwork from students and staff is important for EMS to work.
Environmental management system is important because it gives instructor to our environmental action, not just random rules.
That's all, no? Thank you for your participation to our environmental management talks, no? We hope that our school, the NBC Plastic Ban, inspire more communities, no, to make eco-friendly changes. Uh, See you next time. And take care and God bless us all.